Hi, I'm Dave Jarmon with Visionary.ai, and we're here today at the Edge AI and Vision Alliance, and I'm demonstrating our low-light solution. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the company, our technology. So Visionary is a startup based in Israel. We're about 5 years old. We've had quite a bit of commercial success. We have a full software ISP, AI ISP pipeline. Where we've had initial commercial traction is with our denoiser. That's what I'm going to be demonstrating today. Specifically, I'm going to show on Android platform. Keep in mind, this is just a nice demo vehicle. We have other solutions in medical robotics that are on Nvidia platforms. Nvidia is a close partner of ours. Laptops, Intel, also Qualcomm on that side, automotive. So many applications. But let's focus on looking at our denoiser solution, what we've done with Qualcomm, as just an example of what's possible. What I'm going to show you today is this is looks like an Android phone, but it's the Snapdragon 8650 Gen 3 QRD platform. And this is running our software. We're running on Qualcomm's Hexagon NPU. We're denoising the raw data bear to bear, and that's going to allow us to increase the gain and essentially have night vision. So once you zoom in, I'll be able to show you that. But before we do that, I wanted to highlight the sensor. This is a Sony IMX766, which is a mass market 1 micron sensor. So very mainstream sensor found in lower cost Android phones. And then I'm going to compare that with the identical phone with the same chipset, same image pipeline, same sensor. So inside of my box, I have essentially a portable darkroom. We're doing live video. This is 4K 30 video. And if you can zoom in a bit, we can see with some ambient light that we could still get a crisp view with the reference platform without our denoising solution. But covering up the light with our solution, you get a crisp picture. The reference platform without our software has gone completely dark. So essentially, we're able to see better than with the naked eye using our software. So let's compare with a more powerful sensor. This is Samsung's latest phone, the S24 Plus. Which has a 200 megapixel, 1.2 micron sensor. So we're expecting to have some pretty good night vision through this high-end camera. In fact, the highest end on the market. And if we check the same 4K video, so we can see still in the reference platform with the lower cost sensor, we're getting a much crisper, higher image quality picture with this lower cost sensor running our software, pre-processing the bare data in the NPU. And then finally, I have the iPhone, this latest iPhone, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and also very, very powerful camera, 1.2 micron sensor. We'll get it set up for 4K 30 for a reference. And so we're expecting this much more expensive phone to have better performance. And indeed, we can still see that there's an image, we can see something. However, it's dark and the image quality is lower. even with the much more expensive sensor pipeline and with Apple's leading solution. So this is what I've shown you is on the Android side. But this is just nice and portable, one of our partnerships with Qualcomm. The other obvious applications are for other things that we've seen at the Alliance meeting today, like agriculture, robotics, medical, where the size of the sensor is constrained, and this kind of denoising for doctors with the sharpness and clarity in dark spaces found inside the body cavities that we're examining in medical applications are extremely important. And then this works equally well with computer vision and human vision. So what we've looked at in this demo is human vision. We have lead engagements with automotive OEMs where they put this in the vehicle in the ADAS pipeline, where we're denoising and looking at nighttime use cases outside of the headlights. And in this case, they're getting 40% higher detection rate, so they're detecting 40% more of the objects of interest in nighttime use cases outside of the headlights, and more importantly, they're getting 20% fewer false positives, which leads to much higher accuracy for applications like the recently mandated emergency automatic braking systems. So thank you very much. I encourage you to reach out to us, Visionary.ai, that's our website. I'm David Jarmon, and so I'm david.jarmon@Visionary.ai. Please reach out if you have any questions or just like to know more about Visionary and what we're doing in AI imaging.